everyone, welcome to Recience booth. Today we will show you a brief introduction about our newest technology, which is called the MIP, X-MIP. So the MIP is actually the MIP, the micro or mini in package. So this one is the newest product in the industry. So the Recience MIP, what's the difference between Recience MIP and other MIP? Because we can do the outdoor MIP and the indoor MIP both. So the outdoor MIP, which is features with the high brightness, is around 3,500 nits, and also is fully waterproof and very strong and can withstand all kinds of the outdoor environments. For the indoor MIP, we can do the around 1,500 nits. Yeah. So this one is also used together with the GOB technology on top. So the MIP with GOB is a main feature for this product. And also the MIP, we can also have the best contrast ratio and the best uniformity. And what's more, compared with the COB product, the MIP is maintainable because the COB sometimes is hard to repair. It's almost no possibility to repair, but MIP is easy repair. So if you have the MIP video wall, you can no repair issues, and also is more contrast, more uniformity, and the best balance for the quality. Thank you. If you have more questions, you can visit www.recience.com. Thank you.